Hey everybody,
Fatbird Finds here.
it's Megan
Hi.
and Laura, and we are in downtown Paducah, and we are going to take you with us as we go into Courtyard Antiques. There's supposed to be a new mid-century modern booth, so we're going.
You were doing really good.
There's supposed to be a new mid-century modern booth, so we are going to go in there and check it out and see what we can find. Okay, so here we are, and this booth is up towards the front, and I always love this booth for their Christmas things. So let's check it out and see what they have today. There's a cute little knee hugger there. Oh, little home coils. It's not an alive elf though. $12 for those guys. They're getting popular. And then look at these little snowmen. Oh, those are so cute. It's got a little crack though. That's too bad. Oh, these are Fitz and Floyd. I don't usually see the little Fitz and Floyd pieces. You usually see the big, the big serving pieces and stuff like that. So that's fun. $15 for the 3 pieces for you cat lovers. That would be a good deal. And then what else? Nice little flocked Santa, but he is $9. Here's a dream pet. $17. And then let's see up here. Pretty little blue-eyed angel. I used to have an angel like that on my tree when I was little. He's cute. And here we go. I knew we would find some. Look there. It's Mr. and Mrs. Claus. He's really cute. And it is home coat. Put it in your home. $15 for the pair though. I'll have to think about that. So here we are. This is the mid-century modern booth that we saw someone put pictures online of. And it doesn't disappoint. It is got some pretty things. Look at this piece. Let's see. Handkerchief Viking vase, $40, and it's that smoky color. Love it. And fit and milk glass vase, $35 is a pretty good price for that. And there's a fit and thumbprint in the back, and it is, if you see that there's 70. I'm not gonna pick him up. And there's a beautiful clear Swung vase. We may have to buy that at, what is that? $20? Maybe we need that. Here is Viking. Beautiful Amberina. Gorgeous one, $175. Classic diamond butt bittersweet, There's a Northwood green opalescent in the back. If it's green opalescent, it probably does not glow. And here is a pretty little person. 75. Don't you love the mouth on that? So pretty. Another Fenton Amber, $20. The Fenton Chocolate, $42. Hi. It's so funny. Megan, what you got?
This cute little turtle trinket box.
Oh,
It's so cute.
he's so cute. Wait, let me feel that. Is that raised up? Oh, I love him. Let's see. Oh, he's so cute. All right, I'm gonna think about him. Maybe we'll get him. Good find. You guys have showed this before on a short, but look, isn't she sweet? She's a little Russian baby. $100, but she's adorable. Several little cuties down here. I like her. Watch out, Jamie. It's a Kokeshi doll. And here is a beautiful Murano bowl. I always love this curved edge. And this one has a bunch of aventurine in it. Beautiful piece. This booth is just full of treasures. Here's an adorable set of Joseph Originals Mouse Village people. They're so sweet. $25 for the set there. And then look at these. I'm gonna have to look these up as well. Now this is an as-is situation. There is some damage. I think it's the damage is right here. It says on the tag as is. But they're calling these Royal Hager Crystal Amber Glaze Cat Pair. Look how beautiful they are. Look at that shape of that cat. Wow, I love these guys. And that glaze is really spectacular. I've just never seen it before. Look at that. They're beautiful. And to finish out this booth, Megan, look at all this pretty green stuff. And Megan's gonna be an Empoli lover, I think, because show them which pieces that you liked. Oh, that one's so pretty. Look at that one. Gorgeous. Emerald green, $45. That's a beautiful one. And then look at that smoky color one that's in front of it. Let's look at that one. You don't usually see that color. They're calling it dark green. I'm not sure about that. Optic swirl, $15. I wonder if there's any chips on the edge. It doesn't have the little, sometimes Empoli has like a bumpy edge, like on purpose, like a little scallopy edge. That one doesn't have it. A little bit, tiny bit, you can see it. That one's really pretty. That's a pretty good price. There's a pretty little genie bottle, $62. And I wonder what this pair is. This art glass pair, $20. That's pretty. Okay, so I wanted to update you on my eBay sales. That's another part of the video. Here are the 2 items that sold yesterday that I'm getting ready to ship out. So I sold 3 the first day and 2 yesterday. So that's awesome. The first one is this really pretty butter dish. I know clear glass is not really all that popular right now, but this one sold quickly for $24.99. It's really pretty. It's heavy. And then also I sold this adorable little stamp. And I sold it for $15. I think at one time these were worth quite a bit. It's this particular little mouse family. Let's see. Mouse designs. But isn't that cute? But I went ahead and took $15 for it. And I think that somebody's going to be thrilled with that. And here is the item that we have for sale today. So today it is these really cute little yellow butterflies, and they're not really little. Let me show you. They are about 12 inches across at their widest point, and they are not Sirocco. You know, sometimes these are Sirocco. They are this brand right here, this Burwood Products Company, made in the 70s. And there's the little hanger on this one. And then this one has its own little hanger. Adorable. And then also you get with that a set of placemats. Let me get those. So you can get these 2 butterfly plaques and all 4 placemats, all for one price of $25, by emailing me at fatbirdfinds@gmail.com. Thanks everybody for tuning again to, this is my 3rd video in a row, so I think we're really doing it. I think this is going to work. Thanks for all your support. I hope you tune in tonight to Flippin' and Sippin', and you'll find out what we bought at the antique mall today, and maybe you can even buy one of those pieces. And then we'll see you tomorrow for another video, so stay tuned to see what Fatbird finds next. Bye, everybody.